Hello everyone, welcome to another special video of M.K. Crafted Workshop. What's so special about this video? You want to know? Watch right till the end so you will see why it's so special. A few months back I uploaded a video how to make a resin pen. This video, please go check it out and please like and subscribe. I was getting comments from my viewers that how I was making resin pen with that plastic tube and it can make a refillable. I've been watching videos and searching around. I've seen so many videos that people are making lots of nice pens and videos, but they don't show exactly what's going on with that plastic tube. So today I want to reveal that secret for you guys, because this video is especially for my viewer who especially asked me to please upload a detailed video how I was using that plastic tube. Okay, so guys, let me tell you, that is not a normal plastic tube or any special kind of plastic tube. It's just a normal straw that we use. So today you are going to see how I'm going to use that straw to make a resin pen step by step, because this video especially for that my viewer who requested me to make this video. Let's go and make it. Okay guys, let me just go through a quick step-by-step method how you're going to use a straw to make a resin pen. You see there's different kinds of straws available in a market. You can just choose any one that can fit in this riffle a bit perfectly, or you can say snug fit. Okay, you see here, if I take a normal straw, it's perfectly fine, because once we're gonna put resin it will make a little bit more tighter. Okay, this is a perfect. But if you can get more snug fit in a market, you can use that as well, or else you can apply a little bit heat with the lighter or with any hair dryer or heat gun, slight a bit to make it more tighter. But usually I don't use it because these are perfectly okay. So now I will show you how we're going to fit this straw in a mold. Now let's come to the molds. All right, there's one more here. Let me just open quickly and take it out from the plastic so you can see there's different kinds of mold available. Let me show you how it fit. Okay, so now you will take a straw, we're gonna put right inside this one and we'll try to push a little bit in. Okay, it must be, you see, can you see it's not coming out, a little bit tight, and then after that we're gonna put inside and then we're gonna mark it here, and simply I'm going to cut it from here. Almost there. Let me put this one and then see, check, perfectly fit. It's not bending. You need to see it doesn't bend. If it bends, then later on you will struggle to put this riffle inside. Must be straight enough. I just made already a resin quickly already just to show you. So today I'm just using alcohol ink. Is it alcohol ink? It's very nice, my personal favorite. Ready to pour. Okay guys, let's pour the resin now. I just make it extra zoom so you can see clearly here. Let me try to make it as visible as possible. Here we go. As you have seen my previous videos, I've used different colors and glitters, but for now I just wanted to show you how to use the straw, so I'm not going any fancy. Just a simple crystal clear pen. Then you're gonna pour it a little bit, and now what I will do here, you're going to take any simple tweezer or maybe a toothpick, anything, just to pop in here everywhere, up and down, so you don't have air bubbles, air gaps there, so epoxy can go right inside there. Okay, nothing else, and we're done here. Now you know the secret of straw, how to make a resin pen. Okay guys, so now our pen is ready and we just need to wait for it to dry. So guys, today you learned something special. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so I can upload more nice videos, because your subscription motivates me to make more nice videos for you. So guys, see you in the next video now. Bye for now.